David Leach, and I'm privileged and honored to be part of this exhibition at Dana Wiley's gallery, Art Matters. I'm going to talk about these two works, which look very similar. This one is a print, a lithograph. This one is the drawing. And so I'm going to talk about the difference between the two, even though at first glance they probably look very similar. They are similar in the sense that I've been working on line and line development, using line basically to tell a story. And that's true, of course, in both cases. The lithograph has print characteristics that contrast with drawing characteristics in that the separation of values and things like the darkness of the black are a little bit coarser. There's a wider separation, in other words, and they have a drawing and print-like characteristics. So the difference in the quality of lines can be a little bit more exaggerated in printmaking generally than in drawing, or at least the way I handle drawing. And so they go from the light textural marks, crayon marks, to ink-like marks, very black. But the main difference between these two drawings is that the orientation of this drawing, or this print, I feel, is looking down, hence the title, Overview. There is a map or journey-like reference in lots of my work, but it stands out, in my view, in a print like this. Again, the variation in line going from a black positive to a white negative, and then the very, very light pencil-like mark, same black ink, but the way it's drawn pushes that area into a different regional location. So by overview, I mean like you are looking down at a map, maybe contemplative, maybe considering a journey. Maps invoke the idea of journey as well as memory. So that's the end for this one, and I'll talk about